Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you ready to take your IT career to the next level? Then you need to master Oracle SQL, the most widely used database management system in the world. In this clip, we'll cover the essential queries that every IT professional must learn in order to succeed in today's fast-paced tech industry. First up, let's talk about the select statement. This is the most basic and important query in Oracle SQL. It allows you to retrieve specific data from a database based on certain conditions. With just a few simple commands, you can extract, filter, and sort through large amounts of data in no time. This is a crucial skill for any IT professional, as data is the backbone of any organization, and being able to manipulate it efficiently is highly valued in the industry. Next, we have the insert statement. As the name suggests, this query allows you to insert new data into a database. Whether you are updating customer information, adding new products, or making any other changes to your database, the insert statement is your go-to tool. With its simple syntax and powerful capabilities, you'll be able to make changes to your database with ease. Now let's move on to the update statement. This query allows you to modify existing data in a database. As we all know, data is constantly changing and updating, and being able to make those changes accurately and efficiently is essential for any IT professional. With the update statement, you can make changes to specific data or even entire tables in just a few simple steps. Last but not least, we have the delete statement. This query allows you to remove data from a database. Whether you need to delete outdated records or clean up your database, the delete statement is your go-to tool. With its ability to target specific data or entire tables, you can clean up your database and keep it running smoothly. And there you have it, the essential queries that every IT professional must learn in order to succeed in today's tech industry. By mastering these key skills, you'll not only stand out among your peers, but also increase your value in the job market. Ready to take your Oracle SQL skills to the next level? Then head over to Fastlane and check out our comprehensive training courses. Our expert instructors will guide you through these essential queries and many more, ensuring that you have the knowledge and skills to excel in your career. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and thank you for watching. Keep learning and stay ahead in the fast lane of tech.